Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into crypto in 2025, transferring your Dogecoin from Binance to your Arculus wallet is a smart move for better security and control. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it confidently and avoid common pitfalls. Let's get started. First, ensure you have a Binance account with Dogecoin in it and an Arculus wallet set up on your device. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that your accounts are verified and secure. Step 1. Log into your Binance account using your credentials. Head over to the Wallets section and select your Dogecoin balance. Step 2. Click on Withdraw next to Dogecoin. You'll see a form pop up. Here, you'll need to choose the network. For Dogecoin, stick with the native network to avoid any issues. Step 3. Open your Arculus Wallet app on your phone or device. Navigate to your Dogecoin wallet and copy the receiving address. This is crucial. Always verify the address to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Step 4. Paste the Arculus address into the withdrawal form on Binance. Enter the amount you want to transfer, making sure it's above the minimum limit, which might be around 1 Doge depending on 2025 fees. Step 5. Review everything carefully. Enable two-factor authentication if prompted, and hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Once the transaction is sent, it could take a few minutes to an hour to appear in your Arculus wallet, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on it and check transaction fees to avoid surprises. A quick tip. In 2025, crypto regulations might have changed, so always use official apps and enable all security features. If you run into issues, reach out to Binance or Arculus support. There you have it. That's how you transfer Dogecoin from Binance to Arculus wallet. It's straightforward once you know the steps. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.